Going about my day of planting. It's a process. I have so many growing, but I'm still planting. I don't know what you all do. I'm waiting to put my potatoes in. I have ginger, turmeric. I've got all my seeds from last year, flowering seeds and other seeds, Swiss chard and corn. All of my stuff. This is only a fraction of what I save. However, we have to narrow it down to any particular favorites or we will be overrun, no doubt overrun, with our seed starts and planters and space and accommodating and staggering. A lot of times we do give things away. I'm happy to report that that's not a bad practice. It builds community, it builds friendships, mutual interests and common interests as far as planting, sustainability, and health. My cosmos, only some of them came up, so I'm going to do another round. We all have sun golds and orange Kentucky beefsteaks and lemon boys and lettuce. Use my magnifiers all the time. Sometimes the eyesight fails me and I have to really go at it with magnifiers with my age. Should turn around. So, yep, so it comes to planting. It's enjoyable, it's fun. I am impressed with half of the things that I can actually grow in a very small space. So if you're in a small space and you're going about planting, no restrictions. Kitchen table works for prepping the food that I plant. It works for inside doing my seed starts. I use boxes, I keep it contained. I'm a happy camper when I can keep everything in a small space, go about it diligently, make strides, get it all done. There is nothing better than planting your own food, so go after it slow, go after it hard, whichever way you prefer to do your planting. It's okay to dabble, make it up as you go along. I love the fact that I can be a part of this kind of growing revival. It's a revival, you know? It's an absolute revival.